ngisho mina ngiyawushilo wathini thina sinake manje sesiya Cedric. Ya pretend aku menang. Sono nagugulura gombe. Wow. Yes. Tommy tripod yami ngiyasothi ngishiyeleni because ngizobeka busy. Basi bazobe bedeliver nje. Deliver. No some ego go
Njani siyaphila thina bakithi ngibajisiwe la semsebenzini noma you can take over.
Okay, oh Pilau, you are everywhere. Yes. What are you doing here?
Hey guys, hope you guys are good. So like here, yes. I'm not know how to speak this thing. No. Yo, siyabonga, yes, but them.
Sure. See me on Uncuts doing what? No, doll. Hi.
Hello Z, hope you are good, my girl. Tina, we are good. Okay? It's very hot in this blanket.
Everything. I needed this.
It's very hot in this blanket. Like work is done.
Oh, can you spin this out?
Day agenda.
Yeah, okay.
Hers.
Hers.
She's a
Look, and now go to call 76 hours. Yeah,
please take my WhatsApp number and I will assist you accordingly. We have a 7-seater Suzuki Etika 369 990. There's my number. I have pinned it.
Excellent.
These guys are our worst salespeople. This is the worst salesperson, followed by this one. But this one takes the spots.
The one who is actually the worst.
This
is the
one?
speaking.
This I don't sell cars. Sorry.
Maybe Noma.
Kuphela ke ndaziyo. Ama deals no.
Congratulations, Noma Sonto, on your brand new Omoda.
And then
I would like to thank my mom,
Okay, no.
my dad, and my parents.
yeah, and then
I'd like to thank my mom, my dad,
this
and
is
my
our parts assistant salesman. Yeah, salesman. Sorry. This is our Mary's team. So they see what they got to some.
5. Oh, this one.
Hi Bolo. Stay mo tegang namhlanje.
This one, give back how much?
Zingalo simoto
It's
sidesi.
not for faints.
What was your target?
It's not for faints.
What's your target for this month?
This man.
Yeah. What is your target? Give me any number.
Not any now. I need to be realistic. That's my target.
Okay, just
Yes.
give me. Just be realistic, yeah. And
Are
give
we
me a
live?
number. No, we're not live. We're not live. Okay, so what's your number?
Go.
Yes.
I'm on 0, dog.
What is your target? Oh, 4.
Go.
Okay.
Oh, what? Go. Still live.
Hi, number. What is your target for this month?
6. Oh, 6.
Below yes, on second a manch. Wait, 6.
Yeah, 6.
Okay, so far, Uba manch.
So far,
Eh?
3 months.
Okay.
So, gas hotel.
That's a lie. Hi, Pilla Sande.
Hi.
What is your target for this month?
6.
6.
Yeah.
How Usuba manch?
Saying 4, but I'm delivering another 2 today, so I'm gonna be on target.
Oh, really? I'm
5, ma'am.
5, so you're on 4.
Yes.
Actually missed the day.
No.
Pilla, it's the 5th today, so you should be on 5.
Oh, right. Because I'm delivering 2 today.
Okay.
Yaba siyahlukumezeka nje. HR.
I am HR. Okay, thank you. But
Oh, singiyabheka umpilo. They said they wanted umpilo.
Akabambe umalume kusethola umfazi uhepe umalume.
Hey, I'm going to umpilo manje. Umpilo. Alright, Sanele. What is your target for this man?
What?
Target. So tayo mo tayo ngaki.
Dealership no?
When so tayo mo tayo ngaki.
Msaka tami hlezi u4.
Usuk ba manje?
U2.
U2.
Yeah.
Okay, not bad.
Washala le.
We've lost Umpilo. Ulahlekile. She's gone AWOL. Hi Nospiwo. How are you?
Ngiyaphila njani?
What is your target for this month?
Target yami this month ngiyafisa ukuthi kube u5.
5. Usukba manje.
Ngizakuzika.
How are you gonna get to 5?
Customer wami namhlanje Friday omumbi. Wonke umuntu ufanele ngawenza ideal namhlanje usecanga ungenza next year. Awenze namhlanje.
Ungabusaqhubeka ke. Oh, ngizosithelele ngomubo omubi.
Sibulale, oh yazi.
Hi Q.
Hey, how's this?
How are you?
Yeah, good yourself.
What's your target for this month?
Hey, December, but you only have 2 weeks.
Half a
working
month, yeah.
week.
So what is your target?
Hey, I'll try 5.
5.
I'll try 5.
How far are you?
Hey, but so iffy.
Yalunga kodwa ama applications busukubaleka phela.
Yeah, but so yeah, no, man, but
Yeah.
still working on the apps.
What are you going to do differently this month as compared to last month?
Yo, I feel like I'm doing those one-on-one next.
Siyabonga Q. Hi marketing manager. Ujadi. What is your target for this month?
100.
Like ghost.
Other dogs. Mandisa Kesa is no longer here. Hello, my girl. Hello. Guess mina uzofika usuku.
Kanjani? Kanjani nana ngasiphi isikhathi? Ubonile phela
Lesihlanu namhlanje.
mina ngiyazi
Ama-lashes awana inkinga ugela ngavani. Yakavanta.
Hakemi ngizobe ngiyihlathi nje ebantwini
Plazi bengasho. Yazi bengasho.
Issue, other dogs. We anele. Usho ngikunikeza inamba ka ngoba kavali. Usho ngikunika inamba yalo because she doesn't close. Ubala ngabo 6. Inkinga yakho ke when parking. But she closes really late and she's very fast. Like 20 minutes miningi kufaka. Yikuthi mina ngisengikhala. Asbi.
hello hayi wena
Uyapeta
wena uyapeta wena
Ngapha la msebenzini u-request.
hayi sis
Ngapha la msebenzini u-request.
I'm thinking noma bazongihambisa kodwa
Yeah.
inkinga ntambama kanjani because right now I have things to do mase sengiqedile sanibonani kanjani
Because me, I usually go to her after 5, like after work.
aningihambisa ngiyongishinga nje because ngibhukhile
Where we taking
emboneni
you?
side
Where we taking
and then mhlawumbe ngizobona mase ngishiyile imoto ukuthi ama-logistics athini
Again, ungitshele kodwa because me, I'm going to do
uyena
no in time kodwa nami.
okay ngirequest
That's enough beans.
baba kubhizi hamba
Ngithatha i-J7, J7, 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 9. There you go with your J7. There's your black J7 there. Ikhona i-J7 whether ufuna a brand new or ufuna a pre-owned. You have a bad credit scoring. Asilungiseke sithandwa sami. Lungisa nje credit score iyalungiseka nje. Mawukuthi uyakweleta khokha nje. Do what you need to do to fix what you need to fix, okay? I-J7 sinayo, sine brand new, sine pre-owned, sine demo. So uyayikhethela wena according to i-affordability yakho ukuthi ufuna eyamalini. Wangihlaloganya. Uyangihlaloganya. Singizonikhombisa ke guys imoto esinazo la ezi pre-owned. These are pre-owned cars. Got ezinye ezi brand new. So ngizonitshela ukuthi le brand new, le pre-owned. Okay. This one is brand new. This is a Suzuki Baleno. It's going for 279,990, brand new. Then this is a Toyota Corolla Quest. Besa is a Suzuki Grand Vitara. And then we have a Honda Amaze. This one is brand new. Brand new Honda Amaze. So uphuma ngo-12 namhlanje. Starlet's Cross over here. And then we have a Hyundai Venue going for 259,990. Kia Pegas going for 249,990. And then we have a Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro in a sunroof in a leather seats. Inayo yonke into oyidingayo angihlala okanye. Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro, leather seats, sunroof, ISOFIX for ingane yakho, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, multifunctioning steering wheel. Cela ungiphindela i-Venue how much? I-Venue sineya ngo-2020 neya ngo-2022. Eyodwa iwu-249,990, eyodwa iwu-259,990. So you decide. The difference between the two is that the other one is a fluid and then the other one is a motion. That's ngikhombise kodwa. Nah, yabo le i-fluid le iwu-259,990. Mase kuthi this one is a motion, 249,990. Yeah. Siyaqhubeka ngisinakhumbula ngitheni Kia Pegas leather seats automatic 249,990. Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro leather seats, ambience lighting, sunroof, ISOFIX, multifunctioning steering wheel, voice command, 279,990. Yesingikhombisa interior yayo. Yabona ukuthi inhlanjani. Ambience lighting ilo yambala lo khanya ngoblue lapha yasho sinemoto iyakhanya nayo. I-automatic guys ine sunroof, nayo sunroof yakhona nama leather seats, 279,990. Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro Elite SE. So if you're interested in any of these vehicles, just take my number here. I have pinned it, or you can just go and take it on my bio. Cherry Tiggo 4 Pro. Yes, we do trade in. We do trade ins. So just take my number and let me know which car you'd like to trade in and which car you're looking for. Here we have a Toyota Corolla Cross XR Hybrid. So this car has a hybrid system, which means it usually works with electricity as well. This is a Toyota Corolla Cross XR. It's going for 420,990. And then this is for my lovies who like to start working. If you wanna start an Uber or you wanna start a staff. Nayi moto. This is a 7-seater Suzuki Ertiga 1.5 GA. It's going for 369,990. And then here we have a Baki. This is a 2025 Toyota Hilux single cab with an aircon. Ngoba kuyashisa manje, so imoto engenayo aircon hayi no. And then it's going for 409,000, basically 410,000. And then here we have your brand new JAC Bakkies. This is a JCT8. It's going for 379,990. Here we have your JACT9 Lux. This is also a JACT9 Lux. This is also a JACT9 Lux. That is a T8, and those are NP200s. That's also a T8. So if any of you guys are interested in any of these cars, you will just take my number and WhatsApp me. Even if there's a car that you're interested in but you didn't see me showing it on my live, best believe we have it, okay? Ayikho imoto esinganayo. We have brand new Omoda and J-Cruise, guys. Let me just go show you guys the outside. So this is the stock we have on the floor. Suzuki Ertiga 369,990, Corolla Cross XR Hybrid 400. Umdayisa omkhulu madoda ubingelela Thusi bingelela. Khuluma phela motivate unyaka uphelile.
Unyaka uphelile bafethu, ngiyazi ukuthi imoto onayo awuthandi ukuthi awazi bani wenze njani. Thumela phela into zakho kule nkosazana.
Ah, ungazi wena ke mina. Uyaphila. Now Nophila Vumase, how much are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you guys doing today? It's a Friday, you know what I mean? It's a Friday, the day before the weekend. So, man, and another thing is that it's December already, you know? So every day feels like a Friday. Like a Friday, every day feels like a weekend, you know what I mean?
Nazo.
So, yeah, spreading some love.
Nazo. Philani is done. And then here we have your oh my bona kuthunjani baby.
Show him that.
We are Phila. Oh. Okay guys, so anyone who's looking for a brand new Omoda, these are our Omodas, all of them. This is an Omoda and J-Cool section, simply to make it easier for our customers to see because all the cars can't fit on the floor. Here we have your Omoda C5 Style, C5 Street, C5 Elegance, C5 Elegance S. Those are the ones that are out of range, but sinama demo akona nama J-Cool, ama J5. La siphethe Omoda C7 ke umaceceke wemoto entsha engakathengwa ngisho nabantu aba more than 10. Nazo ngazi wena mina. Hey. Ayibo bengingaboni ukuthi umfana. Okay, sawubona Mthembeni, bengithi intombazana. Jona zingalelani ice cream. Can I get a quotation without submitting my documents? Yeah, you can. Yes, is any Kias? Yes, this is a Kia Pegas 249,990. Leather seats, automatic, kanyiwa. Lisakhona ipholo ngale ngemuva. Yes, likhona. Likhona.
Bafethu, namhlanje ngiqeda u5 weeks ngidayisa every day.
Sadly, we don't relate.
SUV, not that one. Yes, we have it. All of it. It's just that it's not here on the floor. When I just take my number, and then just let me know which Kia you're looking for, and I will inform you. Check on our database and tell you ukuthi yabo nice.
I don't think we are.
Sekuyazenzakalela. Kuyazenzakalela dali. Yaba. Hayibo bayakwazi la ku live yami bathi ola thuthu.
Ola lapho.
Akekho umuntu ongamazi thuthu kodwa. Akekho.
Ngikhamba 3.
Uthi mohambe edrobheni ufaka halfway kuthiwe hayibo usebenza nothuthu. Lomfana TikTok. Ukhamba 3 eshastini. Uzodeliver.
La ngiyawasha. Customer ngifuna ishoot bese ngisanyela ukunika nje lokuyalama. Nala aphandle.
Yiphi moto?
Hilux Sports GR.
Le kade la. GR le entsha 2025 injani umbala? Khona emnyama lapha endlini. Enhle pana. Sports. Le mnyama.
Nice GP 120. Senje ngibhesa sikule nyanga sengiqedile. So inkosi njengangiphokuyi. Athi ngisengiyazi.
Uyinkinga uthuthu. Too much of inkinga this one, eh? Too much of
You ready for
inkinga.
tomorrow?
No.
Bafethu akekho mhlawumbe umuntu othungayo la.
Khona indoda yami yathunga oh. What the hell? Yes.
Bafethu ngidinga umuntu bese ozo sasa ngini end noma yini. Angenze outfit anginambe ecabanga. Ngicabanga ngizolala namhlanje eThekwini. Ngizoveka ekseni ngenza yonke into before 12.
Yeah, uyathunga.